Waller with Waller Adventures, and we are at Shadow Bay Park here in Orlando, Florida. I've been here before. I have my earlier videos of me here doing a little tutorial, and I went magnet fishing out here, got some lures, things like that. So it's been about 1.5 years since I've been out here, and as you can tell, the water is kind of low. I don't know what they've been doing out here, but hey, we're gonna, get the rogue magnet and see what we can catch. Got a spring. So probably off of a bobber. Sweet. Gotta wait. I'm guessing that's another weight or just a piece of metal. Got a nice little fish hook. See it? Sweet. Another fish hook. The egg sinker. Another fishing hook. Sweet. Got another egg sinker. Looks like a something, I don't know, like a electronic part. Sludge. Got a fish hook. No bottle cap. Whoa! Oh man. It's a nice lure that someone lost. Look at that. Nice. Oh, I got some more fishing line on this one. Ooh, nice. A lure that was attached to that fishing line. Oh, nice. Some more stuff. That's a hook. That's a nice little lure. Ooh, some more sludge. But we've been finding cool stuff in the sludge. See something at the bottom of it. Uh-oh. Got a nice worm. Worm lure. And another fish hook. This probably was in it. But oh, found a part to a fishing reel. Nice. Ooh, more sludge with some fishing line. Oh crap, what is that? It's a big, huge hook. Oh, and a sinker. Ooh, a weight. Oh, got some more fishing line. That's not attached. Sweet. Another nail. A tiny baby hook. Oh my God. Whoop. Nice treble hook. What a part of a fishing lure. It's like the spindle part. Nice. Ah, Jesus. Oh. 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 Yeah. Look at that. Sweet. That's a nice knife. Whoo. Diamond cut. Nice. Whew. Nice, got a swivel. Ton of hook parts. Some more fishing line. I think there's something on the bottom of that, but I'll look at it in a second. More fishing line. Got a swivel. Got a leader. Okay, so we've been out here for about 2 hours now. Found an awesome knife. Pretty cool. Found a part of a fishing reel. Found a whole bunch of hardware. See? Found a whole bunch of leaders. Fishing leaders. I don't know if you can see them. Found a good old bottle cap. Found a whole bunch of fishing hooks. Nice little treble hook. Found a whole bunch of lures. That one's a nice one. I like that one too. That's a pretty cool, nice one too. And a whole bunch of worms as well. Found part of a lure. It's actually like this part to the lure. Another hook. Found a whole bunch of weights. Probably clean them off and use them in my tackle box. But yeah, found some egg sinkers. I think that was an egg sinker. There's a little egg sinker. Found some more bullet weights. There's another swivel. So yeah, that's about all I found. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed our magnet fishing trip here to Shadow Bay Pond. The place is called Shadow Bay Lake, but each little section has its own different name. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to get notified on when we drop more videos like this one. So be sure to check us out on Instagram and Facebook, and while you're on Facebook, go to our little shop and you can find the Beast Box from Rogue Magnetics. You will get the rope and the magnet. It will look like this. And we have the Ann Street Inn cookbook. We did a Adventures in Beaufort video at the Ann Street Inn Bed and Breakfast. You can check that out. And we did a jambalaya recipe out of the cookbook. You can also check that out on our YouTube channel. Also on our Facebook page, if you scroll down, you will see a pinned post at the very top. It is a link to our big, huge shop. You can get t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, drinkware, stickers. You can even get your very own Joe Bob trucker hat. So thanks for watching. See you soon.